Hello guys, I am Shweta and welcome back to my channel. And yes, it is part 2 of my Pink Fort haul. This time these are kurta sets and trust me, these pieces are so gorgeous to skip. These pieces are all about elegance, comfort and effortless styling. So let's jump right in straight to look number 1. I am starting today's haul with this gorgeous color block kurta set. Look at the color. It is gorgeous red with a pop of blue. It is made in silk blend fabric, so it has subtle sheen on it, which instantly gives it that polished, festive feel. The design itself is really simple. It has V neckline, which is the perfect length. Classic 3/4 sleeves. It has simple straight cut silhouette. Sometimes you don't need too much. Actually, the beauty lies in simplicity. This kurta has that mid length. It is just below the knees for me. I am 5'3" for your reference. For the design, they have added contrast blue color detailing on the sleeve hemline, which grabs attention instantly in most elegant way. The set comes with fully elasticated crop trousers. They are super comfortable to wear. They are in matching colors, same red kurta, and they are in flared design, so they balances the silhouette perfectly. I styled this gorgeous look with these pearl earrings, bracelet from Atishri, and finished the look with my clear heels. This set is perfect for day to evening wear. You can wear it for festive days in office or casual evening meetups. Next up, we have another color block beauty. This time it is in this gorgeous mustard yellow and rust combination. Isn't this color combination warm and festive looking? It instantly brightens your mood the moment you wear it. The set is made in silk blend fabric, so it has subtle sheen on it, which gives it that instant elegant festive feel. Also, it is really soft and feels good on skin. The kurta has very simple straight silhouette. It is calf length kurta in sleeveless design featuring V neckline. Here color blocking is done differently. One side of the kurta is in yellow color, another side is rust. The back is again divided in same two different colors, giving that coordinated vibe. Set comes with the rust colored trousers, which are fully elasticated and super comfortable to wear. They are straight fit trousers in cropped length, so they balances the silhouette perfectly and gives it that modern edge. I styled this look with my favorite Rubans earrings with pearl detail, bracelet from Lily Origin for the footwear, my must harbor heels, and this gorgeous look is ready. You can easily wear this look to office. It is a really polished look. It is a bride graceful look which is really timeless. Next up, we have this absolute gorgeous black kurta set. My black lovers, this one is for you. This is a classic black and pink combination which has that understated festive vibe to it. The kurta has A-line shape. It has notch neckline and classic 3/4 sleeves. Actually, it has panel design and panels are separated by this delicate silver lace or gotapatti you can say, and there is this contrast pink color detailing given on the sleeve hemline and kurta hemline too, which instantly grabs the attention and elevates the look. The fabric is soft poly silk blend fabric, so it has subtle sheen to it and it falls on body beautifully without being too stiff and heavy. Kurta is calf length and there is this side pleat detailing given here which adds nice gentle flair to the look. These side panels add just the right amount of flair, moment and shape to the look, and the set comes with two pockets, so it's not only pretty but functional too. Again, the set comes with cropped trousers in same black color. They are fully elasticated and super comfortable to wear. As usual, it has that straight fit so it balances the silhouette beautifully. To match the silver accents of this look, I paired it with these silver earrings from Falguna's, chunky silver bracelet. For the footwear, my clear heels, and I am ready. This is a kind of set which you can easily wear for family get-togethers, festive dinners, even for slightly dressier office event. This is so versatile. Moving on to next one, and this one is for my purple lovers. It's again made in that beautiful silk blend fabric from Pink Fort. Honestly, I am becoming a fan of this material. It feels rich, elegant, and so soft on skin. Just perfect for our weather. Kurta itself is really simple. It has small round neckline with this cute tie-up detail, 3/4 sleeves, and a straight fit. Kurta has side pleat design which creates slightly relaxed silhouette. It's knee length, and yes, it comes with 2 pockets. We all love that practicality, right? But honestly, the real hero here is this beautiful color. It is that rich, deep purple that stands out beautifully without being over the top. The set comes with cropped trousers in same color. They are super comfy to wear because they are fully elasticated, and even they have 2 pockets. So the overall vibe of this set is relaxed yet polished. I styled this look with these simple silver studs, chunky silver bracelet. For the footwear, my clear heels, and I am good to go. You can wear this set for casual meetups, for work, even for small festive gathering where you want to look put together effortlessly. And finally, ending this haul with something little different. It is made in 100% cotton fabric, so it is all about comfort and ease. After all those silk blend sets, this one feels really breathable, soft, fuss-free, and perfect for everyday wear. This one is simple straight cut kurta in calf length with curved hemline. It has that deep navy color with white striped print. It has mandarin collar with V-notch and has 3/4 regular sleeves. I absolutely love this little threadwork detailing in contrast color just below the collar. And look at these 2 buttons. They add extra charm to the look. Plus, it has small pleat just below the buttons which add nice gentle flare to the kurta and makes it fall beautifully. Plus, kurta has 2 pockets also, so full marks on comfort and practicality. Now, this one doesn't come with bottoms, so I paired it with my off-white palazzos which are in fit and flare shape, but you can pair it with trousers, salwars, depending on where you want to wear this look. Now I styled this gorgeous look with simple minimal accessories. Again the same earrings, bracelet. For the footwear, again my clear heels, and I am ready. This is a really everyday wear kurta. You can easily wear to work, for running errands, for casual meetups, even for travel. This is your go-to kurta when you want to be comfy and look neat. That's the wrap on my Pink Fort Kurta sets haul. I hope you liked the looks. Tell me in the comments which one was your favorite. And if you like this haul, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming episodes. I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye!